I couldn't find any help on this, so I'm gonna do a tutorial. So navigate to car, go to garage door opener, program, button 1, and it tells you what to do. So hold the garage door opener in front of the vehicle next to the Audi rings. Now press and hold the button on the garage door opener. So then you're gonna go to the front of the car, like so. And grab your button, put it in front of the rings, hold it. 1, 2, 3. That means those are come back in. Press button 1 twice. So you go 1, 2, and then you put his garage door moving. So I'm gonna hold it. Yep, it's moving. So I'm gonna cut yes. Okay. Now, since mine does have rolling, I'm gonna go to the garage. Go up to this button up here, and then do learn. Should be good. Should be it.